Hello guys, today we are going to talk about carbon black powder. Carbon black is one of the byproducts of pyrolysis of waste dyes, plastics and rubber in the absence of oxygen and in the presence of a catalyst. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up the rate of chemical reaction. The feedstock for this process is waste dyes and a variety of plastics, namely polypropylene terephthalate, polypropylene low and high density, polystyrene, and styrofoam. The most important physical properties of carbon black is the particle size, the porosity, the structure, and the surface chemistry. Carbon black is mainly used to strengthen rubber in ties, but can also act as a pigment, UV stabilizer, and insulating agent in a variety of rubber, plastics, ink, and coating applications. In the construction industry, it is used in the manufacture of bricks and also used in building in waterlogged areas to prevent leaching. In the production setup, it is used as a heating material in place of gas, coal, and oil. As you can see, this is how carbon black looks like. In our next video, we'll be talking about one of the byproducts from pyrolysis, the residual fuel oil, which is one of the byproducts of the pyrolysis of used dyes and waste plastics. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe.